Stop by and take a look at the 2022 Pilot. Optimal utility, indulgent interior, powerful performer. You'll be ready for almost anything in the Honda Pilot and is priced below $45,000. This vehicle has less than 30,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: moonroof, tire pressure monitor, blind spot monitor, all-wheel drive, heated mirrors, electronic stability control, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, rear spoiler, remote engine start. This isn't just a vehicle, it's an experience. So stop in for a test drive today.